You have enabled AI Max for search in your Google Ads account. Your account has functionality. You toggled that switch on. 5 days later, now what? I'm Todd Nevins. I am the founder of ClickPlacement, and we are a Google partner agency. And this is the exact scenario of a company that came to us recently. They had turned on AI Max for search. 5 days later, they had spent about 25 or 30% more in budget, and they were not sure if it was working or not. And this is the exact step that I walked them through to figure out if it was working or if it was not. And it also enabled us to double down on what was working. This is what we did. We got into their account, it was a search account at the campaign level, and over here on the left we're at the campaigns tab, and it has spent $591.88 in 5 days with 4 conversions, and each conversion is a cost per conversion of $147. I know for sure now that this account, anything under $200 cost per conversion is profitable. So now we got to figure out how many of these conversions, or if any, came from ads showing in AI overviews through AI Max for search. So going over on the left, I click the search terms on the left nav, and now under match type, I see AI Max. So the search term totals that Google is giving us for this particular 5-day period of time is $269. So about 50% of the total Google is giving us access to the search terms. In this match type column, scroll down, we're also going to see, wow, I really have to scroll. I'm going to click it, and you're also going to see exact, phrase, broad, close variants in this match type column. So, but we want to see only the search terms over here that were generated from AI Max. Of course, we can see them here, but I like to see the totals. So you click this down arrow and search terms and landing pages for AI Max. 2 conversions, $63 cost per conversion through AI Max. Not bad at all, given the fact that anything under $200 cost per conversion is profitable, and overall in this campaign for the same period of time, $147 cost per conversion. Now, the process is you go through the search terms. Are they accurate or are they not? This is where the negative keyword strategy really comes into play, because AI Max for search is not enabled for all accounts. So this particular account is in early and it is working. They've already driven 2 conversions through AI Max, but now we need to determine, were these actually like high value conversions, and were some of these search terms poor value? And then we start feeding in negative keywords to block out future searches to have our ad show both in the AI overviews and normal search results. That's how it worked. So this one is working really, really well out of the gate. We are early adopters of AI Max for search. Not all campaigns or not all accounts have access to it yet. So if you have it enabled and you need some help on should you enable it, or if you've already enabled it, now you need help figuring out, is it working or not? Send me a DM, leave me a like and a comment. I hope this video helped you. We are in a new frontier here with AI Max for search, AI overviews, and AI mode, and I want to help you out. If you need help, please send me a DM and I'm happy to jump in with you. Let's solve something.